So now the first thing you're going to want to do is go on out, fire up your smoker, get it up to about 300 degrees. This is the perfect time to go ahead and let it start doing all that while you're doing the rest of the prep work. After you fire up your smoker, you're going to want to grab one of these. And if you weren't impressed by my obviously stellar dexterity skills with that twirl there, then maybe you should be with my vocal skills, because obviously I never stutter in any of these videos at all. So you're going to want one of these, set that off to the side. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and grab your chicken leg. I got these bad boys right here from the local grocery, and you might be watching this video and thinking to yourself, in these times of uncertainty, perhaps I should wear some rubber gloves. And to that, I say no. We're going to go out, we're going to risk life and limb. We're just going to go balls to the wall, if you will, and we're going to bare hand this chicken. Okay, so you're going to want to take your knife right about here, below that knuckle on the top, and you're going to want to cut all the way around. Make sure you get through all those ligaments, all that fat, that muscle, get through everything, get a good clean cut. So as you see that bone right there, you want to make sure that you get your fingers in there and kind of loosen up that bone. Get it out of there. Try and get it out in one piece. I just broke it a little bit, but as long as you get it all out of there, that's what you're really concerned with. You don't want a little bone shard stuck down in there. There we go. So we got that whole bone out of there. Pop that right off of there. Most of the time you'll get a good clean break. Alright guys, now that we have our chicken lollipopped, the next thing we're going to do is grab some butter. Don't skimp on the butter. Get a good butter. I like to use Kerrygold. Normally I would go salted, but you know, supplies are a little hard to get with the current pandemic, if you will. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and break the butter open. And if you look at that, you see that's a good quality butter. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our knife. We're going to cut a couple pads off. And then we're going to go ahead and drop that into the pan. The next step we're going to take is we're going to go ahead and grab some of that all-purpose rub. This will be available on our website soon, skullandmortar.com. And we're just going to give those a good cover right there. Now, this rub is perfect for anything. You can use it on chicken, pork, steaks, hamburgers, whatever you want to use it on. This is a good base rub. Use it in beans. Use it on vegetables of any sort, really. It's just it's an all-purpose rub. Then we're going to come back across it with the Beach Bum original rub. Been using this on my food truck for years. And after we get that, we're just going to plop it right down into the pan. Make sure you get a really good coating. Do not skimp. So I'm going to take our chicken, throw it on the smoker, give it a good 2 hours or so. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 160, 155 to 160, in that range. And then we're going to pull it off and glaze it. Alright guys, we're going to hop out to the smoker. We're going to check on our chicken, see how it's going, see if it's time to hit that glaze. Okay, we're going to go ahead and dip that in, get the bone and everything. Get a good covering on there. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the whole rack and we're just going to put it right back on the smoker. Give it about another 30 minutes or so. You don't want to burn your sauce, but you want to get a nice glaze. You want it to firm up there. Alright guys, so we pulled our chicken lollipops off of the smoker and they look beautiful. If you could find more beautiful chicken anywhere, I don't have anything clever to say after that. I thought I was going somewhere with that, but apparently I'm not. Either way, look at that. The color, the glaze. I'm gonna go ahead and have to take me a bite here. Perfect. Look at that. That's delicious. Got shit all over my face, but that's good chicken right there. Anyway, if you like this video, consider a subscribe, a like, a comment, and get your chance to win a Vitalware cooking torch right here on the Skull and Mortar channel. We're back every Wednesday at 12:30 with new recipes.